Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use the grid method for drawing apps. First, open your chosen drawing application and import the reference image you wish to draw. Next, locate the grid overlay feature within the app settings or tools menu. You can usually adjust the grid size and opacity to suit your preference. This initial setup is crucial for establishing a clear guide for your drawing process. Once your reference image is loaded, activate the grid. Most apps allow you to customize the grid lines, including their color and thickness. Choose a color that contrasts well with your image, like a light gray or a subtle blue. Make sure the grid on your canvas aligns perfectly with the grid on your reference. This synchronization is key to maintaining accurate proportions as you transfer details. Now, begin drawing by focusing on one square of the grid at a time. Look closely at the shapes and lines that intersect within each square on your reference image. Then, replicate those exact shapes within the corresponding square on your canvas. Start with light, basic outlines, gradually building up detail. This methodical approach helps prevent errors and ensures your drawing maintains correct proportions throughout the entire process. As you progress, don't hesitate to zoom in on individual grid squares to tackle those intricate details. Periodically, turn off the grid overlay to view your drawing without the lines, allowing you to assess the overall composition and make any necessary adjustments. This helps you see the bigger picture and ensures your artwork flows naturally. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Keep practicing, and your grid drawing skills will improve significantly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.